Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we don't just talk money, we master it. Let's get right into it. You ever been in a tight spot? Like you're staring down a last-minute travel deal, an unexpected medical bill, or maybe you're just finally ready to build that credit score from scratch, and you think, I need a credit card. Like now. Not next week. Not after some mysterious review period. Now. So, here's the million-dollar question. Can you actually get a credit card with instant approval? Not. We'll let you know in 7 to 10 business days instant. I'm talking real-time approval in minutes on your phone, in line at Starbucks. Boom. Done. The short answer? Yes, but there's a lot more to the story. And if you're not careful, instant approval can lead to instant regret. Let's unpack it. Alright, first, what even is instant approval? Contrary to popular belief, instant approval doesn't mean guaranteed approval. It means you get a decision, automated based on your credit profile, within seconds or minutes of applying. No waiting, no human underwriter looking over your file unless there's a red flag. Now, here's the catch. Credit card companies can only approve you instantly if your credit data is already pristine and verifiable through the credit bureaus, namely Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If your report is frozen, thin, or inconsistent, that's a speed bump. You might still get approved, but not instantly. So who actually qualifies for instant approval? Generally, a FICO score of 670 or higher puts you in good territory. A solid history of on-time payments, major plus. Low credit utilization, ideally under 30%. Stable income that matches the issuer's underwriting criteria. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, over 45% of U.S. adults carry a credit card balance month to month. And yet, most don't even know how their credit is evaluated in the approval process. Wild, right? Now let's say you do check those boxes. What cards should you look at? Here are some real-world standouts that regularly offer instant decisions, and sometimes instant access to your card number even before the physical card arrives. 1. American Express Blue Cash Every Day. Known for lightning-fast approvals, sometimes under 30 seconds. Plus, they often let you add the card to Apple Pay immediately after approval. That's handy. 2. Capital One Quicksilver or Platinum. Capital One's pre-qualification tool is robust, and their approval system is smooth. They're one of the most forgiving issuers for folks rebuilding credit too. 3. Discover It Cashback. Another instant approval favorite. Discover tends to be more generous to applicants with thinner credit files, especially students or recent grads. 4. Apple Card via Goldman Sachs. Apply through your iPhone's wallet app. Most applicants get a response in under a minute. Bonus, you can start using it with Apple Pay instantly. 5. Chase Freedom Unlimited. A bit stricter on approval, but if you've got good to excellent credit, their decision process is fast, and you can use the card digitally almost right away. Here's the thing though, and I really need you to hear this. Just because you can get approved instantly doesn't mean you should jump at the first shiny offer. Let's talk risks, because with great speed comes great responsibility. Remember Liam? He was 25, just out of college, got a job in tech. Solid income, no debt. He applied for 3 instant approval cards in 1 week. Got them all. Felt like a baller. Fast forward 6 months. 3 balances, all maxed out, high interest rates, and a credit score drop of nearly 80 points. Why? Too many inquiries, overutilization, and yep, late payments. Moral of the story? Instant approval is only useful if you're prepared to manage the credit after the approval. Alright, let's pivot. Here's how to get the best chance at instant approval without falling into a trap. Step 1. Check your credit score. Use FICO if possible, not just Vantage Score. They're different, and most lenders use FICO. Step 2. Use pre-qualification tools. Most major issuers offer soft pull tools to see your odds of approval without hurting your score. If you're not seeing offers, that's your signal to pause. Step 3. Pay down existing balances. Credit utilization is a big factor. Lower is better. Even dropping from 50% to 29% can make a difference in approval odds and your starting credit limit. Step 4. Avoid applying for multiple cards at once. Every hard inquiry costs you a few points and sends a signal to lenders. Space out your applications, ideally 90 days apart if you're shopping around. Step 5. Choose the right type of card. Not everyone needs a premium travel card. Maybe a student card or secured card fits you better. For example, cards like the Chime Credit Builder don't do a credit check at all. That can be a game changer if your file is thin. Now, let's answer the quiet part out loud. Why do instant approval cards even exist? What's in it for the banks? Simple. Customer acquisition at scale. Instant approval is instant gratification equals more new users. Issuers compete fiercely for wallet space, and the faster they can say yes, the more likely you'll swipe their card first. But here's where the smart ones stand out. Savvy consumers like you don't just chase quick wins. You ask, what's the APR? Are there hidden fees? What's the long-term impact on my credit? And that mindset, that's how you win the money game. Now, quick mythbuster. No credit? No problem, ads are everywhere. But are they legit? Some are, but a lot prey on desperation. Be wary of cards with high annual fees for minimal rewards, ridiculously low credit limits, $200 with a $99 fee? Come on. Sneaky APR increases after year 1. If you're just starting out or rebuilding, a secured credit card is often a smarter play. You put down a deposit, you build history, and many banks will upgrade you to an unsecured card in 6 to 12 months with responsible use. Think of it as training wheels with a finish line. Here's a quick comparison. Instant approval unsecured card. Fast, but riskier if misused, often higher APRs. Secured card. Slower start, but lower risk and strong long-term benefits. So which route makes the most sense for you? Credit cards, whether instant or not, are tools. Tools that, when used wisely, can build your financial future. Misused? They become expensive regrets with interest attached. Before you click apply, ask yourself, do I understand the terms? Can I pay off the balance monthly? Am I just emotional spending? Or is this a strategic move? You got this. And hey, if any of this helped clarify your path, or if you've got a question still bouncing around in your head, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Oh, and let's keep the momentum going. If this video gave you a spark, what's coming next is pure gasoline. You're going to want to see it. Click that video on your screen and let's keep leveling up your financial life together. Just a quick reminder before you go. Everything we've discussed today is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. I'm not endorsing any specific products, and you should always speak with a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. See you in the next one.